Hi, my name is Madison Lethe, and this is Lab 9 of Sealing Smith Electronics class. So, what we were supposed to make in this lab was a digi-dice circuit. And so, as you can see here, when I press this button, the lights turn on, and then when I stop pressing it, they gradually fade out. So, and also, only the first 6 lights turn on, and it only counts to 6 on the 7-segment display when I push the button. So the way this works is we have 4 chips in here. The first chip over here is the clock. It generates a clock signal that is output into these 2 chips over here. So this chip right here generates a step down in each of these outputs that it steps down to, and then this chip over here generates a similar thing, except it does it in binary, and that binary is output into this chip over here, which is connected to the 7-segment display and allows that to work. So then the last part that we added in this circuit was this whole thing over here, which makes the LEDs fade out. So when the button is pressed, then the circuit can flow through and it will not stop. So if the buttons just keep pressed, then it will just keep going. But when it is released, then the LEDs fade out, and that's because there's no power to the circuit anymore, and everything is grounded through the transistor, and the capacitor allows the circuit to discharge slowly. So also, the most important thing that I learned in these labs in electronics, I think, is what all of the different things are that we use, like the resistors and the op amps and transistors and all those things, because I think it'll be helpful for me in the future, just to know how those things work and how different electronics really work, because I think a lot of people don't know that, and I think it'll help me and give me an advantage in the future. And this is my electronics lab 9.